To my channel, You Love Shiny. Favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail, and it's on what? Period. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, You Love Shiny. It's me, Shiny, your favorite. Your favorite Southern Belle with a what? Cocktail, and that's on period. All right, y'all, so we have vodka pineapple today. That's what we got. We always start here. Look at that. Y'all see that photo on the top? We always start here. Cheers. I be scared. This little glass means it's a good stiff drink, and it is. It's real good. All right, y'all. So you can tell from the title today, we have a collab with none other than my friend and friend to the channel, Tristan Bell. We are doing together collectively. We are doing a surf and turf. He said steak and shrimp, and that's what we got. We have a huge T-bone steak. We have shrimp in the front. We have a salad on the side, and then we have loaded down mashed potatoes. All right, y'all. So, housekeeping. If you are new here, please make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave lots of comments, and hit the bell to be notified every single time I, she, me, her uploads and or goes live. Hold on one second. All right, and we're back. We have to fix our angle. Okay, y'all. So, if it looks like I've been tussling with a windstorm, I have. It is super windy here, so if my hair is crazy, y'all, excuse me, okay? All right, so again, y'all already know what we have. It is a collab with Tristan. So I will leave his link in the description. Well, his name is up here, of course. If I can find a picture, I'll put it right here. But if not, it won't be there. Okay, so we got us a good, I got a prop up here. Let me take that down. We got us a good one today, y'all. I'm super excited about this one. Let's get to it. So y'all, if you're watching this, it is Tuesday. How is your Tuesday going? I hope I'm not shaking the camera, okay? Let's try to get us a good old cut without hitting the bone. That's the only thing. It's cutting without hitting the bone. So we got us a T-bone, y'all. Am I shaking the camera? I don't know. Y'all, let me cut it and I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, and we're back. Y'all have to go get a real knife because I'm not finna play with this little child. This is called a butter knife for a reason. All right, cheers, y'all. We back. Okay, so we got our standard, most popular ranch for our salad. Our salad has shredded lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and green onion. Our loaded baked potatoes also have green onions because we like green onions. It has cheese and bacon. Cheese, bacon, and green onions are on the potato. Okay. I don't go too crazy because this is a whole plate of food. Okay, y'all. So if you are watching this, that means that it is Tuesday for y'all. Taco Tuesday, Tequila Tuesday, Tipsy Tuesday, which is one of my regular live days. And we back. I got a little thin line of pink, which I like medium well. So how's your day going? It's Tuesday. Try to mix this. So we got our steak, our shrimp, our potatoes. All of that. Y'all make sure y'all have y'all bell on so you don't miss the live later on today. I put a little well in my potatoes so I can hold the toppings. Got our shrimp. Perfect. This was a good idea. Thank you, Tristan. This is a good idea. So if you are new here, welcome. If you're from Tristan's channel, welcome. If you are not new, if you are returning, welcome back. It's good to see you again. Okay, we're going to try to, because it's... Ooh, this, I need a bigger plate, but It's fine. Get some of that bacon and cheese and green onions, y'all. Ooh. Leave in the comments, how do you like your steak prepared? From rare to medium rare. This is medium well. Pink, but just a little thin line of pink. Let's see, can you see it? It's pink. Just a little bit. Tiny bit. There's good. I'm gonna enjoy this video. This might be a long video. So, me and Tristan have been friends for a long time via YouTube. This is our second collab. Our last collab was, I want to say it was a year ago. I'm trying to get some of everything without making a mess. This plate is filled, okay? And I need some more ranch. So I've been knowing Tristan for a long time. And we've been saying for the longest that we was going to do another collab. But we never got around to it. So here it goes. So y'all make sure to check my description box for his link. So you can go check him out. He is putting in the work, y'all. He's trying to hit, trying to get monetized and stuff. So please go over there and tell him that I sent you. Because he is dropping the videos. He putting in the work, y'all. This YouTube thing is not easy. Not at all. Make sure some toppings get on this side too. Also, while you telling me how you like your steak prepared, how do you like your loaded mashed potatoes? What do you like in it? Because everybody's loaded mashed potatoes is different. I've seen people put ranch as one of their toppings is ranch on potatoes. So tell me, how do you like your potatoes, like loaded potatoes? This is so good. Yeah. All of these items, all of these items are from the grocery haul that we dropped on yesterday. So if you're interested in how, like what items I used to prepare this meal, go back and watch our grocery haul because they're all in there. I pulled all this from our grocery haul on today. In real time, it's Monday. So I'm recording 2 videos in one day. The grocery haul was today. And then this video will be up tomorrow on Tuesday. Not only is Tristan putting in the work, your girl is too. We're working on our consistency, y'all. Because these shrimp are fire, y'all. They good. Because we are on the road to 5K, so we're trying to hit 5K. We're trying to get it done. Long awaited. Yeah. I'm not even drinking my drink. You know it's good. Everything is so fresh. I just got it today. Everything. So y'all, please make sure to go back and watch my grocery haul and show you everything. It is the how-to guide on all these upcoming mukbangs. Okay, so I seasoned my steak. Yeah. If you want some, there's some over there for y'all. Because, Doctor, I don't know, over there on MRTV always talking about, you don't never share. Okay. Okay. So when you're in my house, fix your own food. Fix your own food. If you know me, you know the salad going first. And it is. So let me tell y'all about my day and a recap of my weekend. Good luck. But we gonna eat this. Yeah, we're gonna eat this. Okay, so weekend recap. I had so much fun this weekend. Went to a premiere at a fancy theater. Like, so my friend my friend just wrapped up recording their first reality show. They recorded the whole series. And I went to a premiere to watch the first episode. Real nice theater to look at. So much fun. Watch the first episode before anybody else, before it airs. It's she lives in Houston, but it's based in California. She's from California. So yeah, let me say there. I'm talking about she. They're from California. Oh, that was fun. A couple of other things, dibble and dabble. In the streets, go out to eat. You know, the usual. Going out to eat. I need to stop that. Hitting them streets, that's what I've been doing. And then today, Monday, this is good. Today on Monday, yeah, shrimp almost gone. Went to work. Went to the grocery store. Or went grocery shopping, actually. I saw the video. And if you didn't, go back and watch it. Came home, took all the stuff out, set it up, recorded the video after the grocery shopping. Cleaned up the house, picked up the kids. Got them together with homework and all that, got all that settled. That's good. Cooked dinner and recorded again. Yeah, I'm coming for that 5K. And that's heavy on the period. I'm coming for that 5K. It's like, it's right in my hands. It's right in my hands. I think maybe I need 300, 400. Probably right at 400. Yeah. I know Tristan gonna have some good too. He be cooking. Tristan be over there cooking. He do cooking live too, y'all. He just did a copycat to cheesecake creamy chicken pasta. He cooked it on live and then he did a mukbang. Woo. It's good. If you're wondering, cheers. It's good. That's just if you're wondering. It's good. It's too good. Okay, y'all. I do want y'all to have enough time to go ahead and visit Tristan, because I don't know how long his video is going to be. Tristan, thank you so much for reaching out to me. It's totally a pleasure working with you. As always. So easy to pull together. Because we talk all the time anyway, so it's easy. Easy flow. Easy to put the menu together, easy to pick the day. Yeah. It's fun work for him. So if you was ever wondering, should I reach out to Shani for a collab? Yes. Okay. You should. I'll put my Instagram right here, right now. Boop. DM me. DM. Simple as a DM. Simple. What's the worst that could happen? I'm going to finish my steak off camera. You already know, but I want y'all to have enough time to... Oh, this was so good, y'all. Like, I'm not kidding. It was good. I want y'all to have enough time to go visit Tristan. I still got to edit, put the video up, and good sis is tired. Everybody already ate. I ain't going to be editing nothing finishing this drink. She about to finish it. But I was going to say, if you wonder what the peanut gallery ate, first of all, my son had the same thing that I had. To a T. Exactly the same. And he ate his entire T-bone. And then my daughter, she doesn't eat meat. Y'all know that she's real finicky on meat. Besides, the only meat she eats is chicken wings. That's it. So she don't eat meat. So she had... she didn't have mashed potato. She had a baked potato, like a big one, but with all the toppings that we had, and a salad. That's what she had. Because she does not eat meat. She don't. Just chicken. Let's say that. Because she eat meat. Just chicken. Just chicken. Cheers, y'all. Cheers. I left a tomato right there. This was good as well. Y'all, I want to make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure to tell you to hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Leave lots of comments. This meal was fantastic. Outstanding. 5 stars. 5 stars. Too good. Okay, so make sure to hit the like button if you agree the food was really good. Subscribe, hit the bell, leave lots of comments because I love the comments. Okay, check out my website at ULOVECHANI.com and use code YouTube for free shipping. Your girl is out of here. Ding ding. School's out. School's out. So y'all, we are out. Make sure to go check out Tristan Bell. I'll put it up here. His link will be in the description box, as well as a lot of other important information. We have a lot of information, so make sure that you are checking the description box every single day. All our links are down there, all our affiliate links, everything. Oh, the links to the Mukbang Bulls. Boop. I haven't said that in a long time. It always slips my mind. Their links are also in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Boop. I am super tired, but I'm in a great mood. I enjoyed y'all. We got 2 videos in one day. Y'all see me almost flip the plate. Yeah, I'm tired. Thank you for watching again, and we gone. Your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail, or lack thereof, because it's gone too. Bye.